Welcome to the Sunshine Kitchen Cook-Off.
It's a great event. It's an opportunity for our students to really apply what they're learning in the classroom in a competitive arena. And what better way to see the skills that our kids are learning in public schools, especially their culinary skills, than to have a competition, a cooking competition, and have professional chefs judge the outcome. So I think this is just a great opportunity for our kids. Our kids as young as 8th grade are here testing their mettle against some of the best young chefs in our district. So I'm very excited to be here today at the Sunshine Kitchen.
And one of the things we really want to do is give our students, our young adults, an opportunity to be entrepreneurs, and certainly this is a location for that. Coming out of COVID, wanting to get back to these competitions, bringing in IRSC and the school district together, and to become familiar with the services that are available here at the Sunshine Kitchen.
And this is how we work with our municipalities on workforce development. And also, in partnership with the county government, we're looking to actually expand our partnership so kids can pursue their dreams using this facility to better hone their skills so they can be competitive in a very competitive market.
It's another partnership we have with the Small Business Development Center at Indian River State College. We have one of their financial advisors here to provide assistance to people as they start their food business. You can also get serve-safe food training here. It's a great opportunity for collaboration with our partners at the school district, Indian River State College, and to CERTA.
It's cool because they're competing for a scholarship, and scholarship is very good if you want to go to a good college. So yeah.
Back in the kitchen, we would see that they were working hard, and I'd say it inspired me to do it in high school. Yeah.
So this competition for you now is at least 4 years away. Is this something that you would inspire to do or work for in the next 4 years?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we're going to present the winner. We're going to have St. Lucie County Deputy Administrator Mark Satterley and TSERTA, which stands for the Treasure Coast Education Research Development Authority Chairman Michael L. Adams, and they're going to award the winner. And the winner is
Fort Pierce Westwood.